Hey there, money managers. Ever looked at your Zelle, then at your Relay, and thought, wouldn't it be sweet if these two just got along? I know I have. So, let's dive into the world of digital payments and see if this dynamic duo can actually work together. Now, I get it. You're probably thinking, just tell me if they work together or not. But hold your horses. There's more to this story than a simple yes or no. We're going to explore the ins and outs of both Zelle and Relay, why they might or might not be compatible, and some potential workarounds. So, what is Zelle? It's essentially a person-to-person payment service linked to your bank account. Easy, quick, and convenient, right? On the other hand, Relay is a business banking platform designed to streamline finances. It's got features like invoicing, expense tracking, and even payroll. Pretty neat, huh? But can you use Zelle with Relay? Well, as of now, the short answer is no. There's no direct integration between the two platforms. But don't hit that back button just yet. Let's talk about why this might be the case. Zelle is primarily focused on peer-to-peer transactions. It's designed for sending money to friends, family, or even splitting the bill at dinner. Relay, on the other hand, is geared towards businesses. It's about managing income, expenses, and cash flow. So, while they might seem like an odd couple, their different focuses actually make sense. But just because they don't play nice together directly doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are a few ways to work around this limitation. First, you could use Zelle for personal transactions and Relay for business. Keep your finances separate and organized. It might involve a bit more juggling, but it's a clear-cut solution. Second, consider exploring other payment options for your business. There are plenty of payment processors out there that integrate seamlessly with Relay. You might find one that better suits your business needs. And let's not forget about the future. Technology is constantly evolving. It's possible that Zelle and Relay might eventually decide to join forces. Who knows, maybe in a year or two, we'll be making this video all over again with a completely different answer. So, while using Zelle with Relay might not be an option right now, don't despair. There are workarounds, and the future is full of possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.